Yes, you can use AI even to lower your taxes. I know that sounds crazy, but it's possible. A lot of people think, yeah, AI can't do everything. I'm not going to say it can do everything, but I can tell you it can definitely do a lot. Hey there, my name's Kenneth French with vastsolutionsgroup.com. And yep, as a matter of fact, you can certainly lower your taxes using artificial intelligence. We've been doing artificial intelligence for many, many years, and it has really helped a lot of our clients to lower their taxes, especially in the era of ChatGPT. There's a lot that can be done with lowering your taxes, helping your finances, and we're going to talk about that here in this episode of our young little podcast that we've been doing for just a few years. But man, it's got some powerful information. So please go ahead and check out some of our other episodes. But let's get right to it. The continuous advancements in AI or artificial intelligence, they've led to the development and powerful tools that have revolutionized the way that entrepreneurs really are approaching tax planning. With AI-driven solutions like ChatGPT or other AI providers, entrepreneurs can now truly optimize their tax strategies and lower their tax burden, which that's always nice. Lowering the tax liability for solopreneur. We're going to go over the kind of the various ways in which AI can help you as an entrepreneur, maybe even a solopreneur. My name's Kenneth French with vastsolutionsgroup.com. I'm excited to help you hopefully in some way lower your tax liability, making it so you don't overpay your uncle. Your uncle's might be a nice guy, but you probably don't want to give him too much money. One of the most effective ways to lower taxes is by taking pretty much all the available tax deductions and also tax credits that a lot of people just kind of walk over. AI-powered tax software can really analyze entrepreneurs' financial data to identify potential deductions and credits that might otherwise be overlooked by human eyes. By automating the process of finding deductions, AI helps entrepreneurs save money, reduce tax liability. And let's go over a few. Why don't we talk about just a few deductions that AI tools can help identify? There are home office deductions, vehicle expenses, business travel and entertainment expenses, employee benefits, retirement plan contributions, and finally, really depreciation of business assets. Now, let's go over tax loss harvesting. This is something that AI can do pretty easily now. And tax loss harvesting, it's a strategy that involves offsetting capital gains with capital losses that minimizes taxes on investment income. AI-driven investment platforms can monitor an entrepreneur's investment portfolio and really automatically identify opportunities for tax loss harvesting. And by leveraging AI to implement tax-efficient, investment strategies, entrepreneurs can reduce their taxes on investment income. That's always a good thing, right? What about, optimizing business structures? A lot of people come to us at vastsolutionsgroup.com and ask about their business structures. We've been using AI for some time to, help. And I mean, what are some ways? The choice of a business structure can significantly impact an entrepreneur's tax liability. AI-powered tools can analyze an entrepreneur's financial situation, really recommend the most tax-efficient business structures, such as sole prop or sole proprietorship or partnership, maybe a limited liability company, which is LLC, or maybe even a corporation, S Corp, C Corp, etc. By optimizing the business structure, entrepreneurs can minimize their tax obligations and sometimes maximize their income, hopefully maximize their income and lowering their taxes all at the same time. Also, by the way, AI streamlines tax compliance. It's, AI tax-driven, or I should say driven tax solutions can help entrepreneurs streamline tax compliance tasks, which obviously no one likes compliance, but at least AI sometimes can help. It also reduces the likelihood of errors, and which saves hopefully a lot of time. These systems can, they can analyze large amounts of financial data, which we've been using for years in our system called Einstein. They identify potential tax deductions and ensure entrepreneurs, we got to make sure they're compliant with, the changing laws or ever-changing laws and regs. Automation, it truly reduces the risk of non-compliance, which is always a good thing. There's, some of our clients at vastsolutionsgroup.com, we have, they're international. We have a lot of Canadian clients, and for those entrepreneurs operating in multiple countries, let's say Canada or wherever, Managing international tax obligations can be complex and time consuming. It's a lot of work. And with AI as a solution, it can help streamline the international tax compliance sometimes and also identify some tax savings opportunities and optimize the structure of a globally operating company. And by the way, even if you're an entrepreneur and you have one entity, let's say in the U.S. and you're a Canadian resident, it gets pretty complex. AI can help. Also, the big thing, tax forecasting and planning. We have a process that we call Tax Projection Plus, which really helps in this. It's really proactive tax planning. It's essential for entrepreneurs looking to minimize their tax. You don't want to come April 15th and say, I have to write a check for X, 100,000. You want to be proactive. You want to be proactively planning for reducing taxes. And AI-driven tax forecasting tools can analyze historical financial data and predict future income and expenses, and sometimes recommend tax saving strategies that are tailored to each specific entrepreneur's situation. By the way, tax updates, usually AI, especially nowadays, tax laws and regulations they're changing on it seems like a daily basis, and staying up to date with the latest changes is crucial for tax planning, and AI can do that. Generally monitors changes in tax laws pretty much in real time. So what are kind of concluding thoughts? AI driven solutions like whatever ChatGPT and other AI providers are revolutionizing the way that entrepreneurs approach tax planning, offering powerful tools to optimize tax strategies and also, again, lower the tax burdens, by leveraging AI to identify tax deductions and credits, optimize business structures, streamline compliance, and implement tax-efficient investment strategies. Entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, et cetera, can really significantly reduce their taxes and hopefully, again, improve their financial outcomes. The era of AI, ChatGPT, Bard, et cetera, providing solutions for entrepreneurs, it's now unprecedented how many opportunities there are to navigate the complex world of taxation. And really, with AI as a bottom line, again, we've been doing at vastsolutionsgroup.com. We've been doing AI for years. I mean, luckily we got into the game a lot sooner than a lot of people out there, and I'm glad we did, because now everyone's talking about AI. Having a leg up, we truly have a leg up because we've been doing AI for so long. So it's a complicated world. We're not brand new. Do you want to go to a brand new doctor? No, you want to go to someone who's a doctor who's been around for a while, and luckily that's us, especially when it comes to AI and using AI to limit tax liability, lower tax liability, and then also hopefully to increase retirement income for solopreneurs. And that's what we do at vastsolutionsgroup.com. We work with solopreneurs, entrepreneurs. Pretty much all of our clients are entrepreneurs. We've been in business since '69. Yeah, that's 1969. That's a while, right? Doing exactly what I'm talking about here. Using sophisticated technologies. Obviously, it was a little bit different back then, but now we're attacking the tax world and finance world as best we can using technology. And if you're not using us, you really should use someone who's using AI